Hi guys, Nick is here from Space. Welcome to our video series for implementation of SketchUp in architectural design workflow. Hopefully, during this time you'll enjoy at the first place, you'll learn something, and you will find the way how SketchUp could improve your ability to create, to produce, and to deliver on time much more successful projects than ever before. But let's stop talking and go ahead to see the topic today. Our next stage of the project will be to create our interior design of our building project, to set some furnitures, materials to the floors, walls, ceilings, and so on. Of course, to set some lighting fixtures and necessary accessories. And there are a couple of ways to do that. You can, of course, you can model all of these elements by using the simple techniques and simple tools which we have used up to now in SketchUp. For example, the line tool, rectangular tool, the circle, and so on. You can use, of course, push-pull tool, you can use a scale tool and follow me tool in order to create your interior design. Another way is to use a 3D warehouse and to search and download ready-made models of your furniture. For example, let's say sofa, and you will receive from here thousands of proposals for the sofa that you can use in your model. For example, let's say this one, and you can download, and SketchUp actually will propose you to load this directly into your SketchUp model, which is very useful, and you can adjust the position, location of this furniture, and of course can download it directly in your model. So I will not do these operations right now because it will be time consuming. I already download some furniture, I already created some wall elements and accessories, so let's go ahead and to create our interior design. I will start creating our interior design from the ground floor. Here are the living room, the dining area, and the kitchen as well. So I will start from our ground floor, and in order to do that very easy and in order to be comfortable for me to work into this space, I will actually hide our, at first I will hide the roof, the first floor. I will hide the ceiling of our ground floor. I can hide these railings as well, and our railings actually are here in our stairs and ramps. I will hide them all, and these are the windows of our first floor, so I will go and hide them. They are here, and I will hide the door as well of our first floor. I will hide these lighting fixtures, so they are here. And now I can go inside our ground floor and to work and to create our interior design. So let's start with our blinds here. I already download a model of blinds from our 3D warehouse, and I put this in our project folder. As you can see, I have created project library, and here I have an objects as well materials. Into the object I have an object, a special folder for interior, and here I divided this spaces, living room, kitchen, dining, and so on. So I have made entrance lobby as well, and here in TV and decoration I have these vertical blinds, and I can open it, this file actually. It will be opened in SketchUp in another file different than this one that we have worked, and this is actually our blind, vertical blind. So I can just copy this blind and paste into our model. To adjust the position of these blinds by using move tool, and let's say it will be somewhere here. Sorry. And now I have to adjust actually the size of these blinds, because it is let's say the height and the width of the blind, and I can click S from my keyboard, and this S represents the scale, the possibility of scale this model. So I will scale now the model, and I can adjust the size by this way. So I'm going to pick again this point, it must be here. Obviously, and the height actually could go up to this level here of our window. So again, by using S, I would like this blind to be somewhere to the middle of our window. Up to here. So by this way I actually have adjusted our first blind, and I can, by using move tool into the copy mode, I can create the second one. I will move a little bit our blinds to the left, let's say, just a little bit, a couple of millimeters. It will be 50 millimeters in our case, and we have created the first blind. And by this way, by using only one blind, I will create the rest for our ground floor. So I finished with all the blinds for our windows, and now I will continue with some wooden decorative panels here around our staircase, and I have created these panels previously, but of course you can model them. It's pretty easy and very quickly, and as you can see, these are our wooden panels for this wall actually, and I could pick them and copy them inside our model like this, and they will go from here in this direction. Obviously they do not match to our wall exactly, so I will edit this group. I can pick one of them and to copy by using move tool from here up to this, and then again and now we have completely finished this group here. I will rename this group. It will be wooden panels click enter, and I have to assign an appropriate group, an appropriate tag for these wall elements, and I can go to our folder furniture, and here I have the ground floor, and into the ground floor I could create actually a tag, and this will be 09.2.1, and it will be wall, or let's say decorative elements, and I will assign this tag to our wall panels, and of course I have to pick all of our blinds I can create a new group, and this group I will rename blinds ground floor, and I will go to our ground floor and I will create a new tag 09.2.2 blinds, and I will assign this tag to our blinds, and I will log them. So now I can continue actually, but before to continue I would like to see if they match exactly to our ceiling. So I will go here a little bit down under the ceiling, and actually I will unhide our ceiling for the ground floor in order to see, yes, everything is okay now, and it should be adjusted a little bit, so I will create some kind of guideline here. I will hide this, finish this ceiling, and as you can see, I have to move down a little bit this wooden panels, all these elements, so I will create a new guideline, let's say, and it will be from this edge here up to the crossing point of our first guideline. So now I can go into this group, and now I can modify all of these elements, but some of them actually are in additional groups, so I will mark everything and I will create an explode. So now I can pick each of these elements, each face. I will pick this one and I will move all these faces a little bit down up to our reference line. So they are grouped, so everything is okay, and I can exit this group. I can make a copy of this group in order to continue. In this wall, so I will rotate the element in 90 degrees and I have to adjust the position. They are exactly on place. I can create another wall panel. I will place it now exactly here, and I can move it from this point to this point, and by this way the distance between them will be the same. So here I have to continue up to somewhere here. So at first I will pick this one and will copy from this point up to here, and now I have to extend this one to this corner here. So I will go into this group, I will mark all these elements by triple clicking. I can create additional group and I can create a copy times by 11, let's say. I made some wrong, probably. Move to copy to this position and times by 8. By 15. I can delete this one, and now actually I'm ready with the whole wall. and I would like this wooden panels to continue here in front of our kitchen, around the kitchen, so it will be placed at this wall and at this wall as well. So I will pick this one, move, copy from this point here up to this edge here, and now I have to extend a little bit this one, so I will make again a group by using move tool into the copy mode. I will copy this times, let's say 10, it's not enough, time 17, it's too much, so I will delete these two elements, and now I will move exactly to this corner, our wooden panel. So I will move it here. I can create now again by using move tool into the copy mode, rotate, (90°). I will place here, edit group, and I have to make a new group here inside the main group, and I have to extend up to this corner our wooden panels. So move in copy mode times by 15 times by 25, it's not enough, by 50 or by 60, actually we have created too much, so I will do it again. So probably 57, 58. I will leave our wooden panel as it is now, and we have finished actually with our wooden panels around these walls here, the staircase as well here for the kitchen. So I have created a lot of groups here, so I will mark all of them and create the main group, and this group will be wooden panels, ground floor, and I have to assign an appropriate tag, and this tag will be this one that we have created, decorative elements, this one 09.2.1, and this is this one. So I am ready with my wooden panels. I will lock them and I can continue with some furniture in our living area, dining area, as well the kitchen. But before to place some furniture in our different areas of our ground floor, I would like to place some cabinets into this wall and this wall as well, and I have created these cabinets by modeling them, and I have opened all of them, and this is the first one. It is let's say left side cabinet, and now I can easily copy them and place into our model. So I will select the first one, copy and paste in our model. I will place it somewhere here. Then I can go to the next one and I can select, copy and place somewhere here. The third one will be this one, which is a corner cabinet. I will select this, I will copy and place into our model, and now the final one, which will be this one, which is an open face cabinet, and here we can put some accessories, books and so on. So I will select this one, copy and paste somewhere here. So now I would like to adjust at first all of them. I will use a move tool in order to move and place exactly here the corner cabinet. And now I'm going to place this one. I will rotate it first from here in 90 degrees. Now I can move it to this point here. I will create another one. Now I have to rotate this. In 90 degrees, move from this point here up to this point here, and I can adjust the final one, which will be exactly at this point here. Now I can continue in this direction by using, for example, this one at first. It doesn't matter how you will arrange these elements. 90 degrees, move here, now I will place this one in this point here. I will rotate this element in 90 degrees, and it is exactly on place. Then I will place this one from this point up to this point. I can create actually two of them, and I can finish with this one somewhere here. Now I would like to select all of them. I will create a new group. It will be wall cabinets, living room, let's say, and I have to assign an appropriate tag. It will be in furniture again, and in our furniture I have here ground floor. I have to create let's say new tag 0.2.3, and it will be wall elements, and I will assign this tag to our main group. Now I can move the whole group up to this corner here. I will pick this point, and now I can move down the whole group, and I will leave our group as it is now. So I would like here to have some shelves, for example. At first I'm going to lock this group here, and I have some shelves here in our projects folder. So this will be let's say, actually I didn't place here, and it will be in our kitchen and dining room, and it will be decoration, wall shelves. I will open these wall shelves in order to see it and to adjust if it is necessary, and to copy and paste in our model, project model. So these are our shelves and they are grouped, so I can select them, copy and paste in our model. I would like to adjust them at the same height, to be at the same height. I will place them here, and now I can move them up to this face here, exactly up to this edge. So I have our shelves, and I can move them a little bit in right in order to be somehow in the middle of this space here, up to, let's say, somewhere here. They are grouped. I will rename this group and wall shelves dining room. So I'm going to assign the same tag wall elements to this group of our shelves, and I will lock them for this moment. So we have finished with this wall. Now I have to continue with the kitchen. So we are ready for now, and we can go ahead to the next stage of our project. See you there.